It's a perfect house for Valentine's Day. Today we're coming to you from the newest offering from Little Home Renovations. This is the 7th home that she's built, and this is number 4 for Mercer Island.
Come on in and take a look.
So now we're in the kitchen, and we're gonna highlight some of the differences that the builder did with this property. So Samantha, why don't you tell us what she put in here?
One fun thing that she put in the kitchen that we haven't seen a lot of is cafe appliances where you can customize the color as well as the metals.
Another thing she did is the McGee and Company light pendants above the kitchen island. So she's really great about finding those fixtures that are unique and add a little bit of a surprise. She mixes in a lot of color. So the island is a dark green. We have a blue front door, just really fun color choices here.
This is a personal favorite of mine. This is the Kohler Prolific sink that we've seen her use one other time. It has these great little attachments that go into these ledges in the sink. So you've got a drying rack, you have a colander, a cutting board, all conveniently located in your sink.
So let's go take a look at the pantry and see what she did in there. So this is the second house where she turned the pantry into a little bit of a baking station. She planned out, where the power sources would be. It has an extra deep counter. You have the microwave in here. So really thinking of functional use of the space. So where should we go next?
Let's go check out the guest suite. We really love the tile choice in here. It was just recently featured in Magnolia Home Book. Also the schoolhouse sink, which has become a trend for her.
So let's go check out what she did in the laundry room. I really love the color of the cabinets she did in here, and she always does really fun tile choices to make the laundry rooms a little more exciting.
And we could put together a book of awesome laundry rooms that this designer's done.
We love how light and bright the lower level is. It has a full walk out to the new patio that she just installed, and the shiplap detail is really fun as well.
And she always finds a spot for a playful study area. Let's go check out the upstairs and see what she did in the master. We love the honeycomb style floor, and she actually carried that into the master shower as well. We have vintage style mirrors with Edison light bulbs that we love.
Thanks for joining us on the tour today. If you want to see the house in person, you can reach out to Samantha or to Team Foster. See you next time.
You still need this.
No flyways. No flyways.
Right.